Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah. I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the declaration regarding service of declaration of disclosure and income and expense declaration form, also known as form FL-141. In the video regarding declaration of disclosure forms, we discussed the court's need to know that there has been full transparency between the parties regarding each party's income and assets before they will accept a settlement from the parties or set the case for a trial. This form is the form that gets filed with the court that lets the court know that those disclosures have been exchanged. So as with all our court forms, you want to fill in your identifying case caption information at the top. Below that, in this box, you're going to mark whether you are the petitioner or the respondent and whether this is your preliminary set of disclosures that has been served or your final set. Below that, again, you're going to mark your role in the case. Again, petitioner, respondent. And then box number 2, you would fill out if you have served your preliminary declarations of disclosure. Box number 3, you would fill out if you have served your final declarations of disclosure. They're each the same, so I'm just going to discuss how to fill out box number 2, and then the same instructions apply to box number 3. So again, you're going to list your role in the case, so whose preliminary declaration of disclosure forms have been served, and then you're going to mark who they were served on, either the other party or the other party's attorney. And then were they served by personal service or mail? And then, or another method, perhaps the parties have agreed to accept electronic service from each other. And then you're going to list the date that the service was done. This form, unlike the other proof of service forms, can be filled out by you, the party to the case. So you're going to be the one filling in this information. Box number 4 has to do with the waiver of final declarations of disclosure. There is an option to mark that the preliminary waiver of disclosure has been waived. However, you cannot waive a preliminary set of declarations of disclosure, so ignore that. You can waive the final declarations of disclosure. I think it's preferable to use the form FL-144 for that purpose, and you can see here it says that FL-144 may be used for this purpose. The reason being that it's easier for a court clerk to look for that form rather than pull out this form and look for the same information on this form. So I would not worry about filling out section number 4 on this. And then finally, you want to type or print your name at the bottom and sign and date. This form does get filed with the court. Again, that lets the court know that the disclosures have been exchanged. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.